What's good, YouTube? It's Mbali'enhle aka who? Mbali'enhle in Mbali'enhle. So I'm so crusty. Oh, by the way, thank you guys for 300 subscribers, road to 400, and I hope by August I reach 1,000 subscribers, and then by the end of this year at least 10,000 subscribers. I don't know. Yeah, Kalona. But anyways, thank you so much. Keep on subscribing. So today's agenda, we are doing a coughing blood prank to my brother. So we're gonna play truth or dare, and then I'm gonna start coughing out blood. But then I don't know when am I gonna start the prank. In the midst of everything, then I'm gonna do that. So in the meantime, please do like, share, comment, and do mostly subscribe. Yeah, let's get the video started. Hey YouTube, it's Mbali'enhle aka who and okay, wait, let's start again. Hello YouTube, it's Mbali'enhle aka hello YouTube, it's Mbali'enhle aka who Mbali'enhle in Mbali'enhle and Obusobuhle. And today I'm with Abo.
You are here with Noses Nigo.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are here to play Truth or Dare, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna make it fun, I guess.
Yeah.
So we're not doing this snacks, just something to entertain you all. You see? Yeah. So we're gonna use his cell phone to check more.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Please tell them to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Okay. So these are the truth or dare barking questions we got go AI, because I didn't have the time to ask my people on Instagram. Do you wanna start or should we start?
You should start.
Okay. Ube good to me, what's the most truth questions? Is it true that you have an embarrassing love song?
Yeah.
What's the embarrassing love song you have?
Love is pain.
Love is pain.
Yeah.
Okay, you can ask me anything. Do you want truth or dare? Or what is it? Yeah.
What's one lie you told that nobody caught?
What?
What's one lie you told that nobody caught?
Okay, true. One lie that I've told and nobody caught. What is it then? I don't think.
What about spicy?
Okay. Let me dare you, I dare to sing for the people.
To sing for the people?
Sing them any song that you want.
Any song that I want?
I dare you to sing. I'm not for 10 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Bye. Yes. Okay, dare me now.
I dare you to do 10 push-ups.
Yeah. How will I do that?
5 squats.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Guys, please don't judge me. Okay. When I dare you to spell fight?
Fight. You need to spell fight.
Okay.
F-I-G-H-T. Yeah.
Okay. When are you daring to do it now?
I dare you to do what? I dare you to sing. Yeah.
Yeah, which song?
Any song.
Yo, guys, I can sing. Choco yao, ibu baby. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
Okay. I dare you. No. Is it true that if you had money, you'd buy me a car?
Yes, I would.
Oh. Okay, can you go? You can go.
I can go.
No, like, ask. You want me to about the truth about this when you get back?
Truth.
Okay. Ask me, is it true?
Yes, it's true.
Yeah. Ask me what you wanna know.
Oh, what do you want me to know?
What you want me to? What? Yo. Mpotse question e le horeng o batla. Ke ena but then ke batla o sele batile le because it's completely. Ask something like, is it true you jumped the wall? Something that when you want to know. Yeah.
Is it true you cheated on the boy?
No, it's not true. I don't cheat.
Oh, you don't cheat?
I'll tip.
Yes. Arrête. Arrête.
No, I don't feel well, please.
Sorry, get me.
I guess there's something here is hurting. Okay. You can keep on asking.
Keep on asking. Have you jumped the wall?
Yes, I have a couple of times.
Okay.
No. I guess I can go there. Now, I dare you to tell us your crush.
My crush? You?
Do you have one?
Yes, I do have one. But I want to mention the name.
Okay, it's okay. You can. No, I can plan it. Okay, you can do it.
I can do it. I dare you to tell them the red flags.
My red flags.
Yo.
Why can't you tell Koshana about brown?
Disgusting.
It's disgusting. Are you not worried? Okay. My red flags. I'd say I'm a red flag because you can only bujita. And then Papa. Is that a red flag? Some of the people find it as a red flag for Motapapa. I don't think I have red flags. I don't know. What are my red flags? I care more about people than me. I feel like that's a red flag for myself because why don't I love myself? Then yeah. Can go. You can ask.
I can ask. What's the weirdest thing that you did in your life? What's the weirdest thing that you did in your life?
The weirdest thing that I've done was to the weirdest thing Go. What is it, Billy? What do you think is the weirdest thing that I've done?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
I think the weirdest thing that I've done was
What?
what if I'm dying? Okay. The weirdest thing that I've done was to allow my friends to date my past.
Oh, to read your prospects.
It's weird.
Oh, it's weird.
Okay, I dare you to close your eyes for
Come here. Yo.
I don't feel good.
Yeah, girl. I've never eaten anything worse in my life.
Yo, I'm done asking you.
That garbage.
You must ask me. I'm done
As
asking.
fast as possible. Wow, gummy worms.
No, I'm cool.
No, how am I going to help you? Like, come on, like, oh, ew, no, like, hell no, hell, oh, hell no, you, like, let's say individual. She's not fit, man.
Help me.
How am I going to help you? Am I a doctor? Am I a doctor? Is me a doctor, please? Is me a doctor, please? I'm not a doctor.
Don't get your hopes up.
How would you feel if I died?
How would I feel? It's like, it's fine.
You guys,
I don't want to ruin the
is he mad? I'm coughing.
now.
Guys, can I ask you a question? Am I a doctor? Do I look like a doctor? No. No.
Stronger.
I want you to look. I'm coughing.
Why do you want to put it on my clothes? Like, are you deaf?
I hope she doesn't mind that. I'll eat her cake.
No. Near.
Why are you getting mad? You should help me.
No,
Sharp, haven't got tissue to so pumula mona.
no, it's like I'm wiping a baby now. Like, guys, yagonal. No, your bacteria is here. You want to put your bacteria towards my body? Why? You want to get me sick? Are you mad?
Samolahla.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are
Samolahla.
you mad?
It's fine.
Must I tell in the Nigerian accent? Are you mad? Huh?
No, it's fine.
Is he mad? Huh? Is he mad?
Ke re nna ke kula o batla nthusa.
You must help yourself. Now you want to put your gems to my body? No.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll help myself. It's fine. It's fine. Yes.
Help yourself.
Yes, it's
Help
fine.
yourself.
Yes.
No. What do you? What do you? What do you? What are you doing? What do you?
So now you made the whole video look weird because it.
Let's end the video now.
Okay, guys. It's a prank.
It's a prank.
Yeah, I'm not serious.
How can you do something like that? Like,
Why you take it so calm? Why?
are you okay?
Why? What if I was really coughing blood?
I was going to run away. Ivan.
Guys, he's so nonchalant. Why? Okay. Anyways, did you enjoy the video though?
Yeah, I did. No, nigga, come on. Nah. Hell no.
Okay, guys, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. So we shall see them next time.
Yeah, we shall see them next time.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
I'm not subscribing.
Again, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment.